Hello everyone, it's Paul here, iTFT Computers, IT for Tomorrow. Today we have this lovely machine which is basically 20 years old. Yes, it's 2003 model running Windows XP. Recently it started to crash and we've done the repairs and upgrades for it. So we replaced the old hard drive with a SSD. We replaced the old power supply with a titanium class C Sonic, which is a lot more power efficient and more powerful, which means it's basically more reliable and it would save you on electricity as well. We replaced the thermal compound, we added the cooler for the graphics card, and here it's a very interesting thing because this card over here is 24 volts, so it has a separate power adapter which is right there. This one here is made in Japan, so it has its own power, look, and it's getting this power through the old power supply. Well, it's actually switched off, but the power still goes through because it's 240 volt, goes to this adapter which makes it 24 volt, and then it goes to this card. So we decided not to open a brand new one because it's still under warranty, and since we don't need the old hard drive anymore and the CD-ROM was never used anyway, we just put it here in this place, and it does a nice job. So all it does is just provides the AC power to this adapter here, whereas the brand new power supply provides all the power for the motherboard and SSD and everything else. So it's quite an interesting setup. It was complicated, it took us a bit of time. I mean, look at that. Have you ever seen anything like it? And yeah, so it runs a CNC machine, which is a very expensive machine, and Windows XP is outdated now, but it runs offline. It's very stable now, there are no crashes, it's much faster as well, with 4 gigabytes of RAM, which is it was only 1 gigabyte when we got it, so I'm pretty sure that would last for many years now. And if it has any problems, we can fix it further. Thank you.